हाउ मेनी फ्रेंड्स डू यू हैव? इतना मुस्कुरा रहा है, देखो जरा, बता नहीं रहा लेकिन. Hi everyone, Jai Mata Di. This is Chief Engineer Praneeth Mehta, Director JMDI Academy, also running a website called Merchant Navy Decoded. Today guys, I have got Faraz with me. He's come all the way from Barabanki to Dehradun to study at JMDI Academy. He had 66%, gave his first attempt in August. After preparing himself, could not get anywhere. Then he came to JMDI Academy. You will surely see the result flashing where he has been selected. A lot of hard work was required, and today I am going to take his mock interview. The non-technical part is uploaded on the YouTube channel Merchant Navy Decoded, right? If you want to watch the technical video round, go to the channel YouTube channel JMDI Academy and watch the technical round of Faraz over there as well. I know, Faraz, that you are not well prepared because it was a random thing, and your mock interview happened, your interview happened long time back. I have just called it right now. So please be relaxed, no worries, just let us go. One thing you all need to remember guys, the questions that I am asking you today, I am asking him actually today in this mock interview, have been asked to one of our students in a particular shipping company. So that means these questions have been asked. So let's start. Hi Faraz, how are you doing?
Sir, I'm fine. What about you?
I am doing great. So guys, one thing again, I'll be looking to all those questions over here in the mobile so that I can ask first thing. Second thing is we have to check whether Faraz is smiling giving all the answers or not. ठीक है, ये भी check करेंगे.
Okay.
Done? Okay. Do you wear spectacles, Faraz?
Yes, sir.
So what's your eyesight?
Sir, minus 0.25.
What does minus mean over here?
Sir, minus means I have myopia.
Myopia is?
Long sightedness.
Sorry, it's short sightedness. Myopia is short sightedness. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Do you know swimming, Faraz?
Yes, sir.
You know swimming?
Yes.
Okay, great. Please introduce yourself.
Sir, my complete name is Mohammad Faraz Rizvi and I am from Barabanki, Uttar Pradesh. So basically, Barabanki is famous for its entrance and Purvanchal cities of Uttar Pradesh like Faizabad, Gorakhpur and all. So moving further to my academic section, I have successfully completed my class 10th and class 12th from Lucknow Public School, which is in Gomti Nagar, Lucknow, and I have got 70.4% in my class 12th, and it is affiliated to CBSE board. Sir, and talking about my family background, I belong to a nuclear family. Apart from my parents, I have two younger brothers. The first one studying in class 10th and the second one studying in class 5th. And talking about my father is a retired government servant. He was a telecom technical engineer in BSNL department, now he's retired. And my mother, she's a homemaker. And sir, my interests include playing cricket. And sir, in my free time, I listen to music also. And I want to tell you that I am well organized and hardworking person, and I love interacting to meeting new people and getting to know their perspective about life. That's all about me.
Chalo, good introduction. So you are fully aware of this profession.
Yes.
This job is one of the toughest job, right? So why have you chosen this job for yourself, that is Merchant Navy?
Sir, as I've always been a sports person and being a practical person, I don't want to join a 9-to-5 job, as I always wanted a field job which have some challenges and adventures in it. And every new day in a ship comes with full of challenges. And sir, I think that sir, these challenges make a sailor complete man. And sir, apart from this, sir, I have the leadership qualities, teamwork spirit. These qualities come in me from my past experience, as I am the captain of my team for 2 consecutive years. And as a captain, I have played many matches and I know how to lead a team. And sir, by utilizing these qualities, I want to become a successful Merchant Navy officer and make my family proud. And sir, apart from this, sir, my father is retired now and the responsibility of my family is on my shoulder. And sir, I don't want to become a burden on my family. As Merchant Navy provides me financial stability, which help me to provide, which help me to provide support to my family. And sir, why do I forget to tell you the pride of the uniform, the amplets on the shoulder is definitely a dream for me, and I want to achieve this dream, sir. That's it.
Great. तो ये बताओ यार कि what was the reason that you failed in your August batch?
Sir, I've cleared Anglo-Eastern Britain examination, and I have also cleared the technical part. But sir, in maths part, I did not do all the question correctly. Because of that, sir, I failed.
And did you give any other exam during
Yes,
that?
sir. I've also cleared the Great Eastern Britain examination, but sir, unfortunately, sir, I did not clear it.
So you gave 2 companies,
Yes.
and you did not get selected in any of them. Okay, fine. So are you pursuing BSc in any college or no? No. Have you applied in other shipping companies?
Sir,
Okay, XYZ. So sorry, this was a question in the list out here, has been asked, but again, that cannot be disclosed out here in this mock interview. Let's move ahead. Do you have a plan B? What if you do not get selected in Merchant Navy? What if?
sir, no, sir.
You don't have a plan B. Why? You should have a plan B, right?
Sir, I think sir only focus on plan A. It's main thing, sir. If you are doing something, then give your total focus on that. If you want to achieve something.
So you mean to say it should be their plan A and Jai Mata, leave, forget everything else.
Yes, sir.
And give your best shot to the plan A,
Yes, sir.
And then definitely it will work.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's good. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay, tell me your daily routine.
Sir, daily routine. I wake up early in the morning, and after that I take my breakfast, and after that I will go for playing cricket and all, and from where to come back and so I study around 2 to 3 hours, and after that, sir, I'll take a rest, take a nap around for 1 hour or 2 hours, and sir, after that, sir, I'll also study, and sir, after studying for 2 to 3 hours, I spend time with my family, and so after dinner and
Okay, guys, see now you need to make out when he was answering earlier and now when he is answering, there's a big difference. You know why? The big difference lies because now he's fabricating stuffs. This is not his daily routine as of now today.
Yes.
This is so he's thinking मैं पहले क्या बोलूँ क्या नहीं बोलूँ. So understand one thing, if you are honest, it will come out impactfully. Like today he is a part of JMD Academy. He could have said, sir, I get up early in the morning, go to the hostel terrace, have my breakfast. Then sir, I go get ready, go to JMD Academy for my classes. I come back, have my lunch, do gupshup with my friends, then study a bit. Then रात को फिर थोड़ा सा गेड़ी मार के आते हैं, go for a round. Then I come back and then we start studying again. Then we take a few mock into something like that, right? If you would have said the actual thing, it would have made sense, right?
Okay.
You would not have to think what you're saying. Like I could make out that you're thinking what you have to speak. Make sense?
yes, sir.
गलत तो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ?
No, sir.
पक्की बात. चलो ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. What kind of rules you like to break, or you just follow the rules? You like to break the rules, or you first of all you like to break rules, or you like to follow rules?
Sir, I like to follow the rules.
Sure.
Yes, sir. So discipline is more important, sir.
Discipline is more
Yes, sir.
important. Okay, fine. But has there been any rule in your life where you felt, yaar, I don't want to follow this, and you had this habit कि I should break this rule once?
Sir, if it related to safety, then I'll surely break the rule.
मतलब you mean to say if it is related to they are making you do something which is unsafe as a rule, then you will break that rule.
Yes, sir.
मतलब you will be safety conscious.
Yes, sir.
Say tomorrow if government of India says you will not wear helmet while driving, then you will say नहीं मैं तो helmet पहनूंगा.
Yes.
Right. Now this kind of answer can work, guys. This makes sense. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. So you were the house captain, right?
Yes, sir.
And so tell me, chalo again. Any instance can you share when you were house captain which displayed your strength?
So like in I've also said, sir, in cricket matches I have the captain also, and sir, at the field, sir, I show my strength, I have leadership qualities, and sir, it helped me to win the matches and all, sir.
Acha, anywhere, any instance in your matches you felt, yaar, I don't want to take this burden anymore. This is like these people are not playing well. My team is not good. This guy is not contributing. This guy is not contributing. Did it happen any
Sir,
time?
Sir, I did not remember this, sir.
Acha, you do not remember this. Okay, fine. Chalo आगे. What is your weakness?
Sir, my weakness that I am overthinker.
You're an overthinker.
Yes, sir.
I guess I am also an overthinker, guys. I think a lot. How are you trying to improve this?
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, Merchant Navy wants a guy who is a quick thinker, quick decisions, and sir, right now I am trying to take quick decisions which can help me on board, sir.
Like, can you give an example?
Like, sir, related to cricket match also, sir. When I on field, sir, I take quick decisions. Whom do I give the ball, and whom the person who can first the bat, sir. That's all.
Okay, great. When was the last time you took stress, and how did you cope up with it?
The last time I took stress, sir, I don't remember.
You don't take stress? या अभी याद नहीं आ रहा स्ट्रेस कभी टेंशन हुई होगी?
Sir, yes, sir. When my mother hospitalized, sir, I take her too much stress, sir. She had bilateral pneumonia at that time, sir. At the time of COVID period, sir, I cannot understand things properly at that time, and sir, I have also my Anglo-Eastern interview at that time, and my pre-boards also, sir.
So that was a lot of chaotic thing, and you took a lot of stress.
Yes.
And then how did you manage it?
So, as sir, I have managed it with the help of my family, because my father is with me and my brothers also with me, younger brothers. Sir, because of that, sir, I manage it.
Achha, one thing, just when you're talking about a father, you just said कि sir, my father was in BSNL, he's retired. Your father never told you कि तुम सरकारी नौकरी कर लो, कुछ तैयारी कर लो, because he was into a government job, you know?
So he took VRS, voluntary retirement service, because the condition of the department is not too good. Because of that, sir, he also said to me that government job is not everything. You should think better than this.
Okay, great. ठीक है. How many friends do you have?
Best friends, only friends.
See, Okay, chalo. How many best friends do you have?
Sir, 3 almost.
Three, almost three. So you talk to them on daily basis?
Yes, sir.
Regular?
Yes, sir.
So what all are the qualities that you look in a friend who can become your best friend? मतलब
Sir, first he has analyzed the situation. He can easily analyze the situation, and he can easily understand the things that I am saying to him. And sir, like sir, these qualities are
basic is he should be understanding in
Yes, sir,
nature. He
understanding,
should
yes,
understand
sir.
you.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. चलो ठीक है आगे बढ़ते हैं. What are your hobbies? As you had said that you like to listen to music, but still again you can elaborate further.
Sir, my hobby, my interest is sir, like sir, I also take interest playing cricket, and after that, if I have free time, then I listen to music, sir.
What kind of music do you listen to?
Sir, basic music, sir, like
Yo-Yo Honey Singh?
No, sir. So like the music which Arjit Singh sing a song.
Arijit
like,
Singh. Okay, okay.
Ankit Tiwari.
Which is your favorite song?
Sir, my favorite song, sir, like sir, all the songs are my favorite songs.
Like still one. Take just name one.
Sir, सुन रहा है ना तू सर.
सुन रहा है ना. Okay. If you were given a chance to get invisible for 24 hours, what would you do?
Sir, if I have the chance, sir, I try to do the social work, sir. Like
Invisible हो गए हो तो visible होके भी कर सकते हो.
sir, in a different way, sir.
Okay,
like sir, if I'm invisible for 24 hours, sir, I do the work like in my village, sir. There is a short of electricity, and sir, I think, sir, I can better. I can something do for better electricity, and sir, hospital is not there, sir, and proper school is not there, sir. Sir, I should try to make.
But
it
how will
better.
you do that by becoming invisible? क्या करोगे? मैंने शक्तिमान बनने की बात नहीं करी, इनविजिबल बनने की बात करी है. तो खैर एनीवेज just a random question, and this can be asked, guys, and find out yourself. But there is no right or wrong answer in a non-technical interview. You need to know that. But when it's interviewer asks you this question, ki, what will you do when you become invisible for 24 hours? He wants to see what you imagine, what kind of person you are, what kind of traits you have. Copied?
Yes, sir.
Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Who is your favorite actor?
Sir, my favorite actor is sir Kartik Aaryan, sir.
Favorite actress?
Sir, favorite actress is sir.
इतना मुस्कुरा रहा है देखो जरा, बता नहीं रहा लेकिन. हाँ बताओ.
As of now, sir, I have no favorite actor.
कोई फेवरेट एक्ट्रेस नहीं है, इतनी सारी हैं. दीपिका पादुकोण है, देन यू हैव कौन, अब तो मैं भी नाम भूल गया यार. हमारे टाइम में माधुरी दीक्षित, श्रीदेवी हुआ करती थी. हाँ चलो खैर एनीवेज आगे बढ़ते हैं. What do you watch on TV normally?
Sir, I don't watch TV.
Web series?
No, sir. Only
No.
movies, sir.
Only movies.
Yes, sir.
Which is your favorite movie?
Sir, my favorite movies of Kartik Aaryan से पति पत्नी and वो.
अच्छा.
and धमाका, sir.
अच्छा पति पत्नी और वो धमाका. अच्छा मैंने कहा फिर ठीक है, धमाका भी आ गई. अच्छा, which was the last movie did you watch?
So Dhamaka.
Dhamaka. How was the movie?
So very good, sir.
Can you tell us a little bit about Dhamaka movie? Now guys, when I am asking this question, there's a particular reason to ask. I want to see his communication skills. How well he explains. This is such a random answer. चलो बताओ.
Sir, in this movie, sir, it is based on the terrorist attack, sir, in which Kartik Aaryan, sir, doing the anchoring role in TV in media, and sir, he got a call from a terrorist, and sir, explain all the thing and all, sir, about the bridge attack, and sir, he was see, he's only, sir, like sir.
आगे बढ़ते हैं. No worries. अच्छा. What are your reviews about hard work and smart work?
So both are better. Both are good.
Both are good.
Yes, sir.
Which one is better? अगर एक चुनना होगा, which one is better and why?
Sir, depend on situation. I will choose, sir.
Okay, चलो explain.
So explain like if it is related to physical, then I'll choose the hard work, and sir, if it related to sir like mind situation, then I'll choose a smart work.
Can you explain what do you mean by smart work? Hard work I know. What do you mean by smart work?
So smart work sir means like you are sir doing something like sir reading with the mobile phone. So I think sir it's smart work, sir. Like sir, you are going to Kota, and at there your studies, you're doing your studies for the IIT JEE, and sir, like if you are doing the smart work, then sit the home and join the physics wala classes and the further.
See guys, I want your answer in the comment section. The difference between hard work and smart work. I am not happy with his answer. So let me see how good are you guys in giving an answer, a good answer. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Who is your favorite teacher?
Sir, my favorite teacher, sir, at the school time is my physics teacher, sir.
Physics teacher. What is his name?
Sir, Prashant Gupta.
प्रशांत गुप्ता सर. ओके प्रशांत गुप्ता जी, अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज हु इज योर रोल मॉडल एंड व्हाई?
So my father is my role model.
व्हाई?
Sir, because of his struggle, sir.
बिकॉज ऑफ स्ट्रगल। जस्ट
Yes,
इतना बोलोगे और भी बताओ कुछ। तो स्ट्रगल है तो क्या, स्ट्रगल तो सबकी ज़िंदगी में है, बट वो तुम्हारा रोल मॉडल क्यों है, व्हाई?
Like sir, my father started his work as a lineman in the BSNL, and from where sir he approached the officer level, and sir like he was he's doing his work with the very short level, and sir I think sir he.
What he means to say is that his father started his journey at a very menial level.
Yes, sir.
From there he rose into the officer level. He has seen his struggles, he has seen his hard work, the kind of work that he has done for his family, for himself, so that he can raise to a certain level. So that is why he is your role model. So I got his feelings, but maybe a better explanation could have been better. Right?
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक
Sir,
है।
he was always saying that छोटे से काम करो, हमेशा छोटे से शुरुआत करो, हमेशा ये नहीं सोचा जाता कि ऊपर से चलो बड़े से, हमेशा अगर छोटा भी मिल रहा है तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, अगर वहाँ से बढ़ोगे तो मतलब ज़िंदगी की वैल्यू जानोगे, इंपॉर्टेंस जानोगे।
अब वो बोला ये दिल से। सी यू सिटिंग फॉर एनी शिपिंग कंपनी इंटरव्यू, अगर आप ये बात जो उसके पापा ने बोली इसने दिल से बोल दी, वहाँ पे कनेक्शन बन जाता है। सो इफ यू हैव समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेल, डोंट थिंक दैट इट इज इन हिंदी, आई शुड नॉट टेल, जस्ट गो अहेड एंड से इट। ठीक है, विद दिस ऑल आई वांट टू से थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी। If you have liked this video and want to watch more such videos, please click the playlist over here. And if you want to watch technical interview of Faraz, Mohammad Faraz for DNS, who is a DNS aspirant, please go to the other YouTube channel, that is GMD Academy, and watch there. Thank you very much. Jai Mata Di.